Welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. This is a lesson from our inquiry series where writing instruction can be integrated into real-world projects. Lessons follow the design cycle. Investigate, design, create, and evaluate. Each section can be paused so you can complete the tasks. You can create text types to go with these projects like recounts, persuasive text, or procedures. Remember to check out our other videos to help you do that. All right, let's get started. All right, so inventions have changed the world by making life easier and more exciting. Things like the light bulb, car, and computers have transformed how we live and work. So our inquiry project today is about designing an invention to solve problems. So let's first start by investigating. Let's think about what we know and want to know about inventions, famous inventors, or problems that we want to solve. So if you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, you can brainstorm yourself. All right, let's get started. Okay, so now it's time for the design stage. A design brief or learning objective for this project is to be able to design an invention to solve a problem. Now you can do this project in collaborative groups, in pairs, or individually. All right, let's start the design process. As part of the design stage, we need to develop our ideas further. At this point, we might want to brainstorm. You might want to conduct some research, record ideas, make some notes, sketch or draw diagrams. Think about a text type that you could write to accompany your project, like a procedure or a persuasive text. And maybe you could also create an advertising campaign. Finally, remember to get some feedback. All right, let's get going. All right, so now it's time to create a solution for this awesome project. Develop a list of clear actions. So they might be to draft and publish a procedural text or a persuasive text to go with your design. To draft and publish a patent letter explaining your copyright. To draw a scale diagram or drawing with labeled parts. To make a prototype of your or model of your invention. To create a cost breakdown. What will it cost to make this prototype? You could even make a video or a presentation all about your invention. All right, over to you. Our final stage of the design cycle is to evaluate and get feedback. So set up a feedback session. Share your ideas, your plans with your peers or your community. What worked well? What could be improved? Finally, you may even want to present these ideas to your community or peers and to get more feedback. Okay, guys, good luck and have fun. Thanks for learning us today at Awesome English. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.